Ever wondered if your digital treasures are truly locked away in a fortress, or if they're just sitting in a fancy vault with a flimsy door? We're talking about cryptocurrency, and specifically, the tools we use to safeguard it. You've probably heard terms like hot wallet and cold wallet, but what about something like Beam Wallet? Does it offer that cold, hard security we all crave for our digital assets? Let's rewind a bit. When we talk about cryptocurrency wallets, we're essentially discussing the software or hardware that allows you to interact with the blockchain. It holds your private keys, those secret codes that grant you access to your crypto. Now, the crucial distinction lies in whether these keys are stored online or offline. Hot wallets, as the name suggests, are connected to the internet. Think of them as your everyday spending cash, easily accessible, convenient for transactions, but also potentially more vulnerable to online threats like hacking or phishing. These often come in the form of mobile apps, desktop software, or exchange wallets. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are your digital vaults. They keep your private keys offline, significantly reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Hardware wallets, those USB-like devices, are the most common form of cold storage. Paper wallets, which are simply printed versions of your public and private keys, also fall into this category. So, where does Beam Wallet fit into this picture? To answer that directly, no, Beam Wallet is not a hard wallet in the traditional sense. Beam Wallet is primarily a software wallet, available as a desktop application and a mobile app. This means it operates online, placing it firmly in the category of a hot wallet. Now, before you raise any alarm bells, it's important to understand that being a software wallet doesn't automatically equate to being insecure. Beam, as a project, places a strong emphasis on privacy and security. The Beam Wallet incorporates various security features to protect your funds within its online environment. These features often include strong encryption, secure key generation, and transaction privacy protocols inherent to the Beam blockchain itself. However, the fundamental nature of a software wallet means that your private keys are stored on a device that is potentially connected to the internet. This inherent online presence introduces a level of risk that is simply absent in a truly offline hardware wallet. Think of it this way. While Beam Wallet might have multiple layers of robust security measures, like strong locks and surveillance cameras on our fancy vault, it's still connected to the outside world via the internet. A hardware wallet, in contrast, is like taking your valuables out of the vault entirely and locking them away in an unbreachable safe that has no connection to the internet whatsoever. Therefore, while Beam Wallet offers a user-friendly interface and a focus on privacy, users holding significant amounts of Beam or other cryptocurrencies might consider using a hardware wallet in conjunction with their Beam wallet for an added layer of security. This approach allows you to keep the bulk of your holdings offline in cold storage and use the Beam wallet for day-to-day transactions or interacting with the Beam network. Ultimately, understanding the distinction between hot and cold wallets is crucial for responsible cryptocurrency management. While software wallets like Beam Wallet provide convenience and functionality, hardware wallets remain the gold standard for long-term, secure storage of your digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.